Hello children, from this video I will be starting a new video series on MS Access database tutorial series for the SE student. Now let's see how to start MS Access. Click on the search bar and type MS Access. So once you start or you click on MS Access, it created you another screen. In this screen, you can see one blank database as well as other templates. As we are doing the basic level, click on blank database. Okay, it created you another screen where you can see the blank database and the file name. It depends on the versions of the MS Access. Okay, in some MS Access or in previous version, you won't see this screen, but in this version, you can see this screen. Anyway, it greeted you with the blank database and the options to write the file name. I'm going to write one file name, let's say test stuff. Okay. Now, in MS Access, in the previous versions, that is 2003, the extension for your database is MDB, and the extension for the latest version is ACCDV. But you don't need to write the extension, it automatically plays the extension for you. And one basic advantage of database management system is once you create the database or once you enter the database or data in your file, it automatically save your record for you. Okay, let me create the database. Okay, you will see the new screen. Over here, this is our screen where we can see table, and there are some other objects of the MS Access. Now we are going to learn how to create the table. Okay, in table, here we have at the side of dataset view, and another view is design view. Click on design view. So you must write the name for the table. Let me write salary. Okay. So once we press OK, you can see the screen where you'll see the first one is ID and data type. Data type is auto number. Field name is ID. So you can change it or you can use the same ID, staff ID. So the data type is auto number. There are different types of data, but it's better to have auto number because MS Access automatically provides the number for you. Okay, at the side you can see one small key which is known as primary key. You can remove primary key or you can place the primary key. You can add or remove primary key from here by using a right click primary key. It allows you to add, or you can add or remove primary key from the top of the screen. Okay, in this way we can add or remove the primary key from our database. Okay, now let's write some field for this stuff. Let's put the primary key. Let's write some field. The first one is name. Okay, the name is a reserved word, so it's better to write or it's better to use staff name. Name is a reserved word which is used for some other functions in MS Access. That's why it's better to write. So here you can write a short text, long text. In this version we have short text and long text, and in previous version we have only text. Okay, let's write text. Okay, and over here we have long text. in the previous version, instead of long text, we have some other field which is known as memo. But in this version, we have short text and long text. Okay, the short text of this version is equivalent to text of the previous version. So I'm using text. So here you can see the field size. The maximum character that you can include in the name is 255 character. You can increase or decrease the field size. The default size of the text is 50 in previous version, whereas in this version it shows 255. We can change this field size. Let me write 25. Okay. Now next is post. Post. Okay, it's short text. Let's say 30 or 25. And next is salary. For salary, we have two options. One is using number and another is using currency. Let's use number right now. Number. In this way, we can create the table, and after creating the table, if you want to add record, okay, you can directly add record from this view, staff name, Robin, officer, thousand, enter. So as we used staff ID as an auto number, you don't need to write the number. It automatically generates the number. So you don't need to write the number. Press enter key. Suman, manager, 45,000. Okay, save it. In this way, we can create the table in MS Access.